2 paths, 1 goal. Welcome to the 3-minute node. Today, we're testing 2 high-resolution fix methods in ComfyUI. Both get us to the same final resolution, but their speed and quality differ. We start with an SD 1.5 portrait at 512 by 768. We are targeting a 2x upscale, ending at 1024 by 1536. All critical settings are identical: the same seed, the same 30 sampling steps, and the same CFG. Method 1, Latent Upscale, 24.48 seconds. This is the speed-focused approach. It keeps everything in the latent space until the very end. Generate. A base latent is created using the standard K sampler. Latent Upscale. The latent is upscaled 2x using the Latent Upscale node, then refined by a second K sampler. Decode. Final conversion to the image. Performance, 24.48 seconds. It's the faster time. Quality. The resulting portrait often has messy hair and face artifacts. Because the upscaling is simpler latent interpolation, the model struggles to resolve the fine details cleanly. Method 2, Decode plus Img2Img, 25.7 seconds. This method takes a short detour into pixel space to boost detail before rerunning the model. Generate and decode. We create the latent, then immediately decode it into a pixel image. Dedicated upscale. The image is run through an external upscaler like Essigan to reach the final resolution. A final K sampler with a low denoising of 0.5 refines the new details. Final decode. Output the finished image. Performance, 25.7 seconds, only 1.22 seconds slower than the latent method. Quality. This gives better overall quality with significantly fewer artifacts. It results in a cleaner portrait. The trade-off is that the low denoising step forces it to stick to the upscaled image, making it slightly less creative than the latent upscale method. Final verdict: the speed difference is negligible. For clean, stable, and artifact-free portraits, Method 2, Decode plus Img2Img, is the superior choice. The minimal time penalty is worth the jump in quality and consistency. Grab the ComfyUI JSON for this exact workflow on our Discord. Stop watching. Start creating. And that's the node, all open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.